Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do site visits? Well, we have the solution for you. Property Cloud is a PropTech service wherein you can do virtual site visits without actually having to physically visit the site. And I understand in Mumbai traffic, it is actually very difficult to go site to site. So that's the reason we bring to you virtual site visits in which you can see the properties virtually on your phone or your laptop screen, and then you can shortlist it. Once you have shortlisted a couple of properties, then you can do selective physical site visits, and that too with a free pickup and drop service. So now, first of all, let me tell you where I have come today and let me tell you something about this project. फिर से हम करेंगे बात थोड़ी सी Property Cloud के बारे में, but that will be at the end of the video. Stay tuned with me. And here I am at L&T 77 Crossroads. Now there is so much more that I need to tell you about the project, and I'm going to start with the connectivity because that is one thing that caught my eye. Let's go and take a look. And this is the connectivity. Let's take a look at it. From here, the airport is going to be just about 30 minutes. The Mumbai Trans Harbour Link is 14 minutes. There is amazing metro connectivity, which is the Thane, Wadala, Bandra, Andheri, which is 3 minutes. And also the link road is just about a minute from here. The proposed Vikhroli link road is going to be just about 8 minutes, and the BKC connector is only 8 minutes from here. Along with that, the freeway via Ghatkopar Mankurd link road is also just 1 minute. So this is the true way to experience the best connectivity when you are living in one of the most best cities in the country. Let's now go ahead and take a look at more details of the project. Now, this is the total land parcel, which is of approximately 3 acres, that is going to have spacious 1 and 2 BHKs. And this that you can see is the parking, which is a multi-level parking. And over here on the parking on the rooftop are the amenities like the kids play area, the open gymnasium, the garden, and also the sports amenities. Here are the retail outlets that are very well connected to the road, and this over here is the main entrance of the project. Taking a good look at all the roads and the greenery over here, those are the towers that we can see right behind in the project. The 1 BHKs would be of 413 square feet starting from 1.17 crores onwards. The 1 BHK with the deck that you can see with the balconies is going to be 430 square feet starting from 1.25 crore onwards. The 2 BHKs would be of 574 square feet starting from 1.66 crore onwards. The 2 BHKs that you can see with the deck would be of 590 square feet starting from 1.7 crore onwards, and the 2 BHK with deck would be of 637 square feet starting from 1.89 crore onwards. Along with all of this, they also have Jodi options, that is the simplex options, and the booking amount starts from 5 lakh rupees onwards. And I'm sure now you want to see the apartment from inside as well. I'm just going to show it to you. Stay tuned with me. And this is the 637 square feet apartment. Let's take a look inside. From the dining and the living area, let's take a look at the sit out as well. From here through the living area, we will walk straight into your sit out area. This sliding door opens into the balcony, which comes with anti-skid tiles and which are wooden finished, comes with a toughened glass railing and is covered from the top. Now let's take a look at the dining and so this is the dining, very well connected to the kitchen over here. This is the cozy kitchen. Now the kitchen, they've kept so much space over here to walk around for your work, and they have provided 2 different workstations over here, and it ends at your vegetable and utensil sink. It also has a window. The vegetable and the utensil sink also has a window for good ventilation. And here is your common bedroom, common toilet. This kid's bedroom has one speciality. So in a normal house, when you'd go and you'd see a standing balcony like this or a big window, these doors are sliding and you can always enjoy some amazing views. But what is the best part is that this one is not fixed. Why? How? Well, this gives you perfect ventilation right over here. So this wall literally opens up right into the nature. And now it's time to take a look at the master bedroom. And this is the master window of the master bedroom, which over here again opens sliding and gives you the feel of a standing balcony so that you can indulge into nature. Now, the best part about such big sized windows is that you get ample lighting and ample ventilation too. And because of the height of it, there's even more light that enters the room. Now, let me very quickly also show you the attached toilets and bath to the master bedroom. It comes with a glass shower partition, and also it comes with the standard CP sanitary fittings. And now, in case you're wondering where I'm headed towards, well, I'm right here and I'm going to tell you how do you come over here and how do we close this deal. How can you come over here and book the property? Stay with me, I'm going to just tell that to you. So now that you have seen the property, I'm sure आप जानना चाहते हैं booking कैसे करें. EOI का amount बता दिया, booking का amount बता दिया, लेकिन आगे क्या? आगे बहुत सिंपल है. Caption में there is a link mentioned on which you need to click so that our salesperson will get in touch with you. Once you have clicked and registered and our salesperson has got in touch with you, then you can go for site visits with them, which is going to be obviously free of cost, just like I already told you. There's going to be no brokerage involved, just like I already told you. So this is going to be a hassle-free and a brokerage-free experience for you, wherein you can book your dream property without any tension over here with us at Property Cloud. And that's the reason I, Ekta Kapoor, take you on these property visits so that you can take your dream home without any worries. Stay tuned to our channel and do not forget to subscribe to us ताकि आप देख सके और ऐसी ही खूबसूरत सी properties. Thank you.